Padam Palace, a glimpse of royal splendor. In the heart of the Himalayas, there stands a palace that whispers the tales of bygone eras. Welcome to Rampur Bushahr, the last capital of the Bushahr dynasty, a lineage tracing its roots to Pradyumna, the son of Lord Krishna. Legends and history entwined, creating a canvas where Padam Palace emerged as a jewel. As you approach Rampur from the Shimla side, two striking visuals greet you: the mighty Sutlej River roaring alongside and a colossal Hanuman idol standing guard. The town, seemingly divided by the river, buzzes with life. Vegetable vendors arrange their wares, and the bus stops hum with regional importance. Padam Palace, a testament to architectural grace, graces one side of the main road. Built between 1919 and 1925 for the Raja of Bushahr, it exudes an oriental neo-Gothic charm. The main building remains private, for the use of its owner, Veer Bodra Singh, ex-Chief Minister of HP, but a section now houses the Now Nav Hotel, while the garden invites curious visitors. Hibiscus the palace gardens, a symphony of blossoms. Stroll through the manicured gardens, where roses and rhododendrons bloom in harmony. Imagine the Raja and his courtiers savoring fragrant evenings, discussing matters of state and poetry. The air carries whispers of secrets, of love, intrigue, and dynastic pride. Glowing star woodwork and stone, a regal blend. Padam Palace stands as a fusion of elegance. Its stone base reflects European influences, while intricate woodwork crowns the structure, a hallmark of the Bushahr region. Each wooden panel tells stories etched by artisans' hands, echoing the past. And so, dear viewers, as the sun sets behind Padam Palace, remember that every stone holds memories, every breeze whispers forgotten tales. Next time you wander the Himalayan foothills, seek out this regal abode. Let its walls echo your footsteps, and may you find solace in its timeless embrace. Padam Palace, where history dances with the wind, and the mountains nod in approval. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this tale, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating stories. Until next time.